Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about how we can take user input in Java using the DataInputStream class. We can use the DataInputStream class to take primitive data as input from one input stream. The DataInputStream class is located in the IO package of the Java library. So we have to import the IO package in our program to use the DataInputStream class. So now we're going to do an example program where we're going to use the DataInputStream class to take the user input. So first of all, we are going to import the java.io package. This IO package will enable us to use the DataInputStream class in our program. Now we're going to create one object of the DataInputStream class D, and after the equal sign I'm going to write new DataInputStream, and inside the parentheses I have to write system.in. So in this line of statement we have created one DataInputStream object D, and then inside the constructor we have passed in system.in. The system.in referred to the standard input device. Now we're going to use the println method and print please enter your name, and then we're going to create one string variable str, and then we're going to use the object D and we're going to call the readLine method of the DataInputStream class to take the user input, and then again we're going to print your name is, and we're going to print the string variable onto the console. So I'm going to save the program. Now I'm going to compile and run the program. It says please enter your name, so I'm going to type rapid tutor, and it replies back your name is rapid tutor. So first of all we have imported the IO package in our program. This will enable us to use the DataInputStream class in our program, and we have created one object of the DataInputStream class, and in the next line we have printed please enter your name, and then we have used the DataInputStream object D and call the readLine method. This line will take the user input and return one string, and the string will be stored in the variable str, and in the next line we have printed the user's name onto the console. This way we are taking the user input and printing the same back to the console. So this is the way we can use the DataInputStream class in our program and take the user input. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see in the next one. Thank you.